when you have me and Scotty together, the first question I ask is, who's gonna put his arm around each other? Damn! Damn, he had his arm halfway out there. I said, damn, yeah, what's going on, young man?
Okay, so y'all been hearing and seeing the videos and everything. Me and Arnold getting together, and we are presenting 30 meals, 30 days.
Yeah, that's right. 30 meals to change your life. This is serious. This is hardcore, no messing around. Living dream, super excited. Good.
So we changing our life and we transforming our life through
Good.
eating a plant-based food, plant-based diet. So what Arnold gonna do? We got 30 meals, 30 days for you. We also have the nutritional.
Yeah, your camera's better. Damn, look how good you. Damn, look at that. You have a professional telephone. Damn, it's almost like two different cameras. Damn. Good.
Arnold got the nutritional information,
Yes.
so he got everything that you need to keep your body at a high vibrational state.
Right. Yeah.
Also, this is the disease prevention, because as we know, disease cannot live in
An alkaline environment.
alkaline environment.
Impossible.
Impossible.
Not only that, crime cannot exist in alkaline.
Crime too. Like there's been
And
studies.
drug addiction. Boom, boom. A lot of studies.
So once we change that, when we put in our body a more plant-based system into our body, the body is able to understand that and break that down even better, even more efficiently. That's what we were talking about. We're talking about the efficient lifestyle here.
Damn, you're good.
So
Damn, he's good.
So when you sign up for this, right?
Sign up for it. Good.
We got consultations, call, text, Arnold,
Food, books.
food, books, recipe
it's
guides.
less than $10 a day.
Less than $10. Eight to $10 a day.
It is top of the line, over the top. So what do you got? What do we have offered? Go ahead. Read it out.
Okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
So Arnold
Go ahead.
got 30 days,
30 days. You get
30 meals, 30 days.
Right. Except for
Nutritional
Monday.
information, except Monday.
Right.
Nutritional information, disease prevention, and consultation. Call and text. You got a recipe.
And my books.
And the books as well. So,
Books, best books in America. Go ahead.
So recipe guide, plant-based information. Okay.
Yes.
What I'ma do?
Yes.
Where I come into this.
Yes.
Thing. So I'ma do.
It's both. You need both. You know what I mean?
This
You need support.
the whole trifecta.
Yes.
I'm gonna do the exercise performance, right?
Right.
So we got calisthenics, so it's just working with your own body weight, right? So we're gonna get the body in shape. Also have weight trains for people who want to use weights. I got the weights for you. I have bikes and trampolines, so
Wow.
we're gonna get the whole body moving.
Whole body movement.
We're gonna get the circle,
For a lifetime.
full circle transformation
yes.
here.
Yes.
Also, I'm also offering
Yes.
internal cleansing.
Yes.
So once you cleanse the body have to heal. So we got the proper way. We're fueling the body with key nutrients needed to
Right.
make you feel your best, okay? So we're going to get the body in shape, because your body is your mind. If your body is doing a little bit better, you start to see clearer, you feel better, you start to channel it,
Look at my verse
get you
church.
attract things. You know, it's all about attraction here. We're going to attract things that we need without even doing much, and I'm going to show you how.
Yeah, mind become more clear for you to do what you want to do. Life transformation. 30 days is what you need, and actually, for should I say the price?
Yeah.
$300. Do 60 days, it's $500.
Right, so that's both of us. Like,
Both of us.
Like we get
Boom,
the
boom,
whole
boom.
package
That's
here.
it.
Remember, this is not an expense. This is
It's actually cheap. It's like coming here for a meal every single day. It's no big deal.
every day, working out every day. So
Yeah,
we
no big
making this
deal.
commitment.
Making this commitment.
This not an expense on your health. This is more of a what's that word I was saying?
This is a requirement for exquisite health.
Yeah, requirement. Like this is what we have to do
Yes.
in order to feel our best. So we're mastering techniques.
Hey, we look like, by the way.
We're
Yeah.
mastering techniques
Yes.
of clearing and flushing toxins from the most vital parts of your consciousness.
Right, wow.
So remember, your body is your consciousness in physical form. Your body is your mind. So contact us through Facebook.
It's limited to 10 people, by the way.
Yeah.
10 people at one time, so boom, boom, boom. Less than $300, $10 a day. I think it's 60 days, it's less about $8 a day.
Sign up today.
Yes.
Unite today. Like
Right.
we're here for your benefit.
Right.
The more we help others, the better we help ourselves, and it has to change. So let's make this commitment to ourselves. That's it. Once you commit to yourself, we help others.
Me and Scotty
Do
been
the
around
same
together
thing.
for like 5-6 years. I have 30 years experience. Scotty is boom. Look at that body. Boom, boom, boom.
Get a body by
Get a
Scotty.
body by Scotty.
Get a Scotty body.
Scotty body by Scotty. That's the key. Okay.
So yeah, this is it. You know, we gonna keep this thing going on. We also got
Right.
torpedo pots too.
Yeah. Oh, good.
You
Damn.
trying to invest in torpedo pots? Is self-growing, self-watering plants, and these plants just come out magnificent. You don't even have to do anything.
We got a lot going on.
It's so much going
So
on
much
here.
going on. It's life changing. Take charge of your life.
Take charge.
No fear.
Grab your own will.
No
to your
fear
vehicle.
whatsoever. You become strong in your mind. You become fearless.
No fear.
No fear.
No fear, Liv.
Okay, we're gonna send this out. Next shot, we'll take a picture of that. Okay.
Yup.
Okay.
Wholeness, y'all.
That's it. Bye.
Bye.